Back again, guys. How is everybody doing today? We have another sneaker mystery box for you guys today on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, week 17, I believe, week 17. I'm starting to lose track. This one is going to be $1,900 from Sole Supremacy. Very huge box, and we have actually been on a super hot streak for like high-end sneakers, easy to move sneakers, and just great profit overall. So hopefully we keep that rolling today. But before we get into the unboxing, I did want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Privacy.com. Privacy.com is the premier technology that was seemingly built for sneakerheads, guys, because it allows you guys to utilize virtual credit cards rather than your real credit cards, which protects your identity and also your bank information. Have you ever wondered to yourself, how do people cop so many Yeezys? How do they cop multiple pairs of Yeezys? I don't get it. When you guys are trying to check out Yeezys online and you're trying to cop a lot of pairs of Yeezys, you need multiple credit cards in order to get through, because when they see the same card used twice and it's a one-person limit, then obviously they're gonna flag you. So to get around this, most people utilize multiple credit cards in order to cop more than one Yeezy. And what is the fastest and most secure way to create multiple credit cards? Privacy.com. Now, Privacy.com is a technology that allows you to create virtual credit cards, keeping your bank information private and secure. For cases that you may purchase from a merchant frequently, you can create merchant cards that can be used as many times as you like, while also ensuring that a breach doesn't put you at risk. It's completely free and super easy to set up on your phone or web browser, and even comes with a Chrome extension to make checkouts fast and easy. On top of that, you're able to create these things called burner cards, where it can be used once on a website and then immediately close right after, which works perfectly for copying multiple pairs of Yeezys. You use that card once on Adidas.com, it's gone, it's done. It copped the pair, it did its job, it's done. So to protect yourself and to cop multiple Yeezys starting today, then sign up at privacy.com/untied. And what's even better is that if you guys utilize the link in the description below, you click on that link, you will be taken to privacy.com, where you will get $5 off your first purchase when you guys use your Privacy virtual cards. That's right, free money, so you guys can cop those Yeezys, multiple pairs of Yeezys, at a discount price. So again, head to the description below, click on that link, privacy.com/untied. Anyway, I think it is time we get into the unboxing now, guys. $1,900 from Sole Supremacy. Sole Supremacy, shop out in the Bay Area of California. Let's see what we got. Yes, I know. I still haven't upgraded my knife yet. I actually looked at all of your guys' suggestions in the previous weeks, like where to get knives and stuff. Where to get knives. Did I just say knives? Knives. I did check your guys' suggestions. I saw a couple that I like. I might be picking one up soon. What is this thing? A size 15 Air Up Tempo? Looks like a GR shoe. Anyway, you guys can check this out. Air Up Tempo, size 15, so it is a very huge sneaker. This one is in used condition. You guys can check that bottom, a little bit dirty, and also does not include a box. I'm not gonna talk too much on this one because I don't know, man. I'm not hyped on this. Whoa. Okay. Jordan 5 Metallic, I believe it's called. And this one is in a size 14. So starting off the box with a lot of boat shoes, I guess. You guys can check this out over here. Super solid condition. That netting is perfectly fine up here. Bottom's a little bit dirty, but somewhat decent value. It's a Jordan, so they usually sell at least for like 100 something bucks. This is a pair of the Take Flights, I believe they're called. This one is in a size 7.5. You guys can see over here. Looks like a very like military kind of sneaker with like that olive green running throughout the shoe. I think it's kind of cool. Not bad at all. Size is 7.5 without a box though, so not too many people can fit that, I would think. But if you guys do want to check it out or buy any of the sneakers in this box, check out untiedhawaii.com. I sell all of the sneakers on there. Shoes with boxes. We'll start it off with a Yeezy 350 box in a good size too. This one is a size 8.5. And we have Beluga. It's a Yeezy Beluga. You guys can see over here, size 8.5. Uppers look very clean, and also you guys can see on the inside over here, that insole is perfectly clean too. Adidas Yeezy is not worn out, which means it wasn't worn very heavily. On the bottoms though, that boost is a little bit dirtied, but I don't see like any wear and tear anywhere else in the shoe. So this is actually a very clean pair of Beluga 2.0s. Should be a good boost to the counter over there. I think they're going for maybe like 300 something bucks now. So we're moving now, we're picking up steam. Another Yeezy 350 box. This one is in a size 8.5 as well. I wonder if it's all from the same collection. And we have a pair of the Yeezy Sesames in this one though. Now this is one of my favorite colorways for the Yeezy line. I'm not a big fan of Yeezys, but for some reason this one has definitely caught my eye. Sesame colorway, insides look fine. Adidas Yeezy, you guys can see again, clean. Bottoms, this one looks a little bit more dirty than the other one, but not too bad again. So another clean pair of Yeezys, and this one is in a size 8.5. So I feel like this was definitely like Soul Supremacy bought somebody's collection at 8.5. Then they just threw all the Yeezys in this box, because that is a coincidence if they're all the same size and all pretty clean Yeezys. Now this one is a pair of the creams though. Obviously that triple white kind of colorway. I feel like it looks pretty solid. I think in this light it looks clean. And then those bottoms, dirty. But that is fine. Nobody's looking at the bottom of your sneakers anyway, so nobody needs to worry about that too much. Value for the creams is not bad too, so I would hope that this fetches like another $200 to $300. And I see some crazy stuff in here that's left. I've never seen this pack before, but I believe it's a pack. Jordan 5 in a size 9. Can you guys tell what pack this is from just looking at the box? I've never seen the box. This is crazy. Cool. This is the Jordan 5 DMP pack. You guys can check this out over here. This is the 3M Jordan 5, and this one is that red suede Jordan 5. This is the first colorway, and I feel like I like this color a lot more than the red suede. However, in terms of value, people go for the red suede more. Bottom's pretty darn clean, so that's not bad at all. And so this is the Raging Bull red suede. This one is the more popular version. I'm not sure why people get so hyped over red shoes, but a lot of people like this one. Bottoms look cleaner than the other one, actually, better than the 3M one. So this is in very solid condition with the box as well. I have no idea what the Jordan 5 DMP market looks like right now, but if you guys are collectors, size 9 is a great size, and it has the box. I think that this one's gonna move pretty easy. Anyway, very cool here. I did not know that this is what the box looks like. Oh, okay, so I see what it is now. I was wondering what this design was. For some reason in my head, I was like, this is a cool little treasure chest thing, but now that I'm looking at it closer, I hope you guys can see that in the light. This is actually like a stable, and I guess that's the Raging Bull. Like, you guys can see its red bull eyes right there. So that's pretty sick, dude. I did not notice that at all. Ugh, I'm gonna get flamed in the comments for that, whatever, it's fine. Now, that is actually not the last shoe in the box. We have one shoe here, an Air Force One. Oh, okay. It's a size 9 Air Force One. And it's a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one, because this is a pair of the Air Force One Low Travis Scott's. This does have the swooshes that you can like peel off. It is Velcro on here, so you can take this off, switch it out with the different pieces. Also has Travis Scott's logo up here. Rest of the shoe looks kind of clean. For a sale version, I don't see too much damage on this. So we have a solid Travis Scott right here. Also has all 4 of the swooshes, so this is good. Like I said, you can switch this out on any of the shoes, so you obviously want all of that in there. So this should be good value, man. I believe this is like $500, and it's only going up in value too, so good piece right there. Once again, we are on a good streak, but I'm not sure until the end of the video. You guys saw the calculations up here. You guys saw the final profit. I do all of that at the end, but fingers crossed we won this box, because I think we did pretty good. But yeah, 3 Yeezys, I mean, that's super easy to move. And speaking of Yeezys, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Head over to privacy.com/untied, and you guys can get your $5 off your next purchase today when you guys utilize privacy.com virtual credit cards. Now, thank you for watching this video, guys. We will be back next week, week 18, with a $2,500 box. Because you watch this video, you guys get to know in advance. $2,500. Stay tuned, it's gonna be crazy, guys. Subscribe down below if you guys have not already. Hit that like button, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots.